Samsung Galaxy S26 is finally out, and it's becoming a serious rival for iPhone 17. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Comparing Samsung's $900 Galaxy S26 with Apple's current $799 flagship, the iPhone 17, both have 6.3-inch displays. The Galaxy S26 has an MOLED, while the iPhone 17 has an OLED display, but with a slightly higher pixel density. The iPhone 17 is also a little brighter with 3000 nits brightness, compared to the S26's 2600 nits. Both phones also have a 120Hz refresh rate that give you smoother scrolling and more immersive gameplay. The S26 has 3 cameras, a 50-megapixel wide, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 only has 2, but with a 48-megapixel wide and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, iPhone 17 users get a lot of flexibility, especially in their macro shots. On the front, the iPhone 17 has an 18-megapixel camera, while the S26 offers 12-megapixel only. Speaking of specs, the S26 boasts 4,300 mAh battery, while the iPhone 17 offers 3,692 mAh. But despite the numbers, the iPhone 17's adaptive power feature apparently helps it save battery life with performance adjustments. The S26 supports 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, but lacks built-in magnets. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 can charge to 50% in 20 minutes with a 40-watt or to 50% in 30 minutes with a 30-watt or higher MagSafe charger. Like the other S26 handsets, the S26 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4 for Galaxy, and Apple is powered by the company's very own A19 chip. Both S26 and the iPhone 17 are available in 256GB and 512GB storage capacities. So, which one are you choosing? Tell us in the comments. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.